Did you know the air inside your home can be 5 times more polluted than the air outside? Yep. Indoor air is filled with hidden toxins from furniture, cleaning products, and even paint. But here's the good news. You can fix it with plants. In this video, we'll count down 10 of the best air-purifying houseplants that are easy to care for, even if you don't have a green thumb. Whether you want a plant for your bedroom, a low-maintenance option, or something pet-friendly, we've got you covered. Stick around till the end to find out NASA's top pick for cleaner air. Let's get started. Plant number 10, Aloe Vera. Aloe vera isn't just for sunburns, it's also a natural air purifier. It removes toxins like formaldehyde and benzene, which are found in household cleaners and paints. Plus, it's super easy to care for. Just place it near a sunny window and water sparingly. Forget to water it? No problem. This plant thrives on neglect. Plant number 9, snake plant, mother-in-law's tongue. The snake plant is one of the toughest houseplants out there. It doesn't just clean the air, it also releases oxygen at night, making it perfect for bedrooms. What about light? It can handle both bright and low light conditions. And watering? Hardly needed. If you forget to water plants, this one won't even complain. Plant number 8, peace lily. Want a plant that cleans the air and looks elegant? The peace lily is perfect. It removes toxins like ammonia and mold spores while adding a touch of beauty with its white flowers. Plus, it naturally boosts humidity, great for bathrooms. But one thing to note, it's toxic to pets, so keep it out of reach if you have cats or dogs. Plant number 7, spider plant. Don't let the name scare you. The spider plant is one of the easiest houseplants to grow. It filters out carbon monoxide, benzene, and formaldehyde, all while producing tiny baby plants you can propagate for free. Place it in indirect light, water occasionally, and watch it thrive. Plant number 6, Boston fern. If your home feels dry, the Boston fern can help. This lush green plant doesn't just purify the air, it also adds humidity, making it perfect for dry climates. Keep it in a humid spot like the bathroom, mist it occasionally, and it'll stay happy. Plant number 5, bamboo palm. This tropical plant isn't just for looks. It removes toxins like benzene and formaldehyde while increasing humidity in your home. Plus, it's low maintenance. Just place it in indirect light and water when the soil feels dry. That's it. Plant number 4, Areca Palm. Need a statement plant? The Areca Palm is not just stunning, it's also a powerful air purifier. It removes toxins and acts as a natural humidifier. It's pet safe, so if you have cats or dogs, this is a great choice. Plant number 3, rubber plant. The rubber plant is bold, beautiful, and low maintenance. It absorbs toxins from the air and breaks them down into harmless compounds. Just place it in bright, indirect light and water when the soil dries out. That's all it needs to thrive. Plant number 2, ZZ plant. Looking for a plant that thrives on neglect? The ZZ plant is nearly indestructible. It tolerates low light, needs very little water, and removes air toxins like xylene and toluene. Plus, its glossy green leaves look amazing in any home. And finally, NASA's top air-purifying plant, the pothos. This fast-growing vine removes multiple toxins, requires almost no effort, and grows in nearly any condition. Just place it in indirect light, water when dry, and watch it thrive effortlessly. Whether you're a beginner or a plant pro, pothos is a must-have. And there you have it, 10 amazing air-purifying houseplants to make your home fresher and healthier. Which one is your favorite? Or do you already have some of these in your home? Drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more plant tips. Your little support helps this small channel grow and encourages me to make more useful videos. See you in the next one. Happy planting!